Good afternoon, students. Last class we all studied types of entrepreneurs. The types of entrepreneur is seven types of entrepreneurs. First one is based on function. First one is based on function. Second one based on types of business, based on technology, based on motivation, based on development, based on area, based on ownership. Already one class we have studied based on functions. The based on function is four categories is innovation entrepreneur, imitative entrepreneur, Fabian entrepreneur, and Drawny entrepreneur. This innovation means some entrepreneur is observing the business present situation, observing present situation, some new method, new brand product, new upgrade products and new methods is innovation that person's. Imitative means that person imitative entrepreneur is some models is inspiring. That model is rearranging, re-engineering, redesigning our existing skill, knowledge, technology. Is new innovation creating a new one. That is imitative entrepreneur. Fabian entrepreneur. That Fabian entrepreneur is the one best example is Narsus Coffee. That entrepreneur is suddenly you change in new methods or new innovations. No, only you step by step, only very slowly, only you innovation. That time Narsus Coffee is a very old famous coffee powder. That Narsus coffee now only in instant some Narsus coffee powder is released. That step by step is very slowly you move this method. Next one is Drawny entrepreneur. That is a slow movement. That is slow movement. Suddenly you change means that a product is heavy loss or some not movement in market field. So that entrepreneur is very smooth and take new one new methods in implementation. That example is Gopal powder. Gopal powder is old, very olden days product. That Gopal powder today same color, same flavor, same design, same taste only. But olden days is that cover were only paper. Nowadays some mica, some plastic is involved. That change in cover pattern only change, but product is same only. That is old. That entrepreneur is not suddenly you change, not changed in product method or shape, design, taste, flavor. Suddenly do not change the method. This is a olden days same method only followed. That is Drawny entrepreneur. Listen students, today next one new topic is based on types of business. The based on type of the business is seven based on types. First one is business entrepreneur. First one is business entrepreneur. Business entrepreneur is also called sole entrepreneur. Business entrepreneur is called sole. Sole means single person. Single person entrepreneur. She or he is one who convene and He and she is one who conceives and ideas for new product and service to establish a business entrepreneur to translate these ideas into reality. He and she may establish small or large enterprise to commercially exploit it is he ideas. He and she takes up production and operation and pursue marketing activity. Pursue means some creating new activity. That is the sole trade business or sole trade entrepreneur, some new ideas, new product and new service and establishing the business is translated to you implementing business and some product and some benefits only you gather. Your idea, new product, some new establishing in some ideas implementation means the entrepreneur's main motive is first one is profit only. Second one trading entrepreneur. Second one is trading entrepreneur. Trading entrepreneur are those who are restricted themselves buying and selling finished goods. They may be engaged in domestic and international trade. There is core strength lies the distribution and marketing. They get the income by way of commission and marketing. The trading entrepreneur, the entrepreneur is our main motive only in trading only and buying a goods and selling domestic or international trade. But this trading person is not interfere in business entrepreneur. That person only in buying and selling some way of commission only and to get some commission is profit on and marketing income in the way of commission means one type of income and marketing. The trading person, business entrepreneur, some new ideas, new technology, new methods in implementation in business. Trading person, not interfere in business activity. Trading person only in buying and selling the goods and collect the finished goods. You sell only in marketing in domestic or marketing in domestic or international trade. Third one is industrial entrepreneur. Third one is industrial entrepreneur. These are entrepreneurs who manufacture the product to cater to the needs of consuming a public after identifying the need left unfulfilled by the manufacture either two. They may small, medium and large entrepreneur. Small, medium and large entrepreneurs. Industrial entrepreneurs mobilize the resources of various types of created entity to manufacture the product and or service. They added a utility to produce the rolled out by them, which is termed as a value addition. This is industrial entrepreneurs is some manufacturing in some consumers wants which product is consuming needs, which product is that emergency period that time is more consuming need. First is mask. That for identifying in manufacturers is more need to consuming the public after identifying the needs of product needs. Identifying the consuming needs left the unfulfillment by the manufacturer either two. The small or large or medium entrepreneurs, some mobilize the resource. Mobilize means some one place one resources, another place another resources. Mobilizing means some collecting the resources. Mobilize means some collecting the resources of various types of created entity to manufacture the product. Collecting the mobilize the resources. Next, the manufacture, produce or service the service utility to product. Utility means what? Utility means using, used, that is utility. Next one, corporate entrepreneur. Next one is corporate entrepreneur. The corporate entrepreneur is the one type of partnership firm method. The corporate entrepreneur is compulsory. The partnership business is compulsory register. The Indian Partnership Act 1932, the reforms is 2013, is ordered to each and every company, every entrepreneur is compulsory to registered. The corporate entrepreneur is called promoter. Promoter means that is owner. Promoter. Another word is promoter means some creator. He and she takes a initiative necessary to start the entity under corporate format. He and she arranges to fulfill the formalities to start a corporate entity under company law. Compulsory to entity the registered to company law. The corporate enterprises assembles all the resources but in place of organization to run the business day-to-day basis. The corporate enterprises collecting and mobilizing the some resources and each and every day and run the business on a day-to-day basis. Next one, in the corporate from form of organization, ownership and management are separated. Ownership and management is separate. Corporate entity and registered under the Company Act under 2, the Trust Act. Corporate entrepreneur installed a term of experts to manage to entity on a day-to-day basis. Some corporate entrepreneurship is some excellent expert persons only manage to control the business. Some manage to control the business. Many of the business is controlled by some expert persons only control the business. The corporate business is this method only. That is compulsory registered to Indian Company Act 1932, reforms 2013 is registered, compulsory registered. Next one, this is corporate entrepreneur collect the resources and mobilizing the resources and every day to product in new products or some resources to produce the products. Next one is the entrepreneurs is some expert person to manage and control the business. Expert persons means some talented person. Next one, agriculture entrepreneur. The agriculture entrepreneur are those entrepreneurs who raise a firm product and market them. The agriculture entrepreneur produce the agriculture product. That product only manufacture and market. They use the various inputs like labor, fertilizer, insects, water, technology, etc. to raise their products and market the product either directly to through cooperative societies through where some most of the villages government so many cooperative societies is created. Is agriculture farmers produce a goods is sold to cooperative society. Cooperative society is some good amount only that good purchase in cooperative societies. Entitles are those broker or those and through tie up the large retail. Brokers or through tie up large retail. Some brokers is purchased some agriculture product or through tie up the large retailers. Those who rise allied products. Allied means some this our substitution goods, this or that, already studied in economics. Tea or tea powder is not or not available means what? Coffee. Tea or coffee, that is substitutional goods. This is allied. Substitution means some allied product like poultry, meat, fish, honey, skin, agriculture, implements, flour, silk, fruits, brawn, etc. are called a agriculture entrepreneur. In short, these entrepreneurs pursuing the venture in agriculture allied sector. Next one, retailer entrepreneur. Next one is retailer entrepreneur. The retail entrepreneur are those who are enter into venture to distributing the end of product to final consumer. The retailer means so much of product purchase person? No. Retailer means one limited only purchased person is small quantity only purchased person is retailer. The retailer is near your house is nearby so much of retailer shops. The retailer shop is purchased in wholesaler to from wholesaler purchase to retailer in small quantity only. The wholesaler means a bulk purchased person is wholesaler from producer, purchased from producer. Take up the venture and distributing the product to retailer or wholesaler purchased from producer or retailer purchased to wholesaler. The retailer is used to they used to buy the goods in small quantity from numerous wholesaler and make it available different products brand under one roof end of consumer. One roof means one small room. That room is more available in all goods in sale. That is retailer entrepreneur. Next one is service entrepreneur. Service entrepreneurs enter into the venture of supplying service product to end of consumer in hotelizer, airlines, banking, insurance and financial service provided the providers and repair service organization, bus operator and train service, advisory organization, advising firms and manpower suppliers, etc. come under this service entrepreneur category. The service entrepreneur category is the main example is banking, insurance and financial service. This three is a very important. Banking, insurance and financial service. Okay, listen students. This is important. Second one is classification of classification of according to types of business. First one, business entrepreneur. Second one, trading entrepreneur. Third one, industrial entrepreneur. Corporate entrepreneur. Corporate entrepreneur is based on partnership. Fifth one is agriculture entrepreneur. Next one, sixth one is retail entrepreneurs. Listen students, the five is only entrepreneur. Sixth one is entrepreneurs. So many retailer entrepreneurs. Next one, service entrepreneurs. Okay students, it's very easy only. You read out this question. Easy, you understood this. Everybody understood? Yes, easy to understood this question. Okay students, next class we will discuss next one new topic. Dear students, do not waste your time. Your reading time, your studying time is very short only. Do not waste your time. Dear students, each and every minute, each and every hours is precious only. Do not waste. You every day you read properly and every day you write test. Okay, thank you students.